Okay, we just got the rear wheel done. Take this apart and do the front wheel. Well, this one here I don't have the tube that goes in here, so it's going to be a little bit rough to do this. Because right now I can't torque it down. There's lots of spacers in this one. I can't torque it, so it's going to move around on me. Which I don't like too much, but it is what it is. Okay. So this one here is how far off. Oh, that's right on the money for a clown bike. You can hear all the loose spokes in there too. There's a bunch of loose spokes in there. Yeah, she's got a little bit of side to side up there, and up and down actually isn't that bad. It's pretty close. It's not really going up and down, it's just going like this. You want to know how loose these spokes are? I can move them a little bit. Alright, so we need to rough this thing real quickly. So obviously when it's like this, you got to tighten up this side. And when it's like that, you got to tighten up this side. And when you do that, that'll square the rim up. So that's what we're going to do. Put this down here lower. Trying to figure out which views work the best for showing you what we're doing in here. This view kind of sucks for you, but good for me. Alright, so got to tighten up this side over here a lot. Over here we got to tighten the other side a lot. Yeah, these things are way out. There's so many loose spokes. trying to chase your tail until they get tightened up. So. Yeah, as soon as I tighten up any spoke, it just moves over. Alright, we're wasting our time like this right now. We need to just tighten up some spokes. So that means take the screwdriver bit here and do some torquing. So, this back here, you can kind of see what I'm doing better, I think, back here. So right now, I'm so far out of whack, it's ridiculous. So, get this pointer out of my way. Switch over to this one here. I'm going to go over until it touches. Get a reference point. It's one of the only tight spokes here. Shouldn't be tight. Tool don't want to fit on the spoke nipple. What's going on with that thing? A lot of loose nipples. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing in that direction or not. On my back and my elbow maybe, I don't know. The bad part about drum brakes is they bend real easy. So you want to try to keep all the spokes equal torque. That way it pulls evenly. If you don't, you'll bend the crap out of that drum. That spoke's completely loose, this one's tight over here. These always other ones have some torque on them. This one's loose again. So is this one. Yeah, we've been around at least once now, because everything seems to have some torque on it now. Let's go one flat at a time, trying to keep them equal. That's already tight. If you find a tight one, leave it alone. That one wasn't tight. A whole lot. Come around to it. And where's it at? Coming up tight. There's our hole right there. This is our starting point, our hole. Okay, so just by kind of tightening up all the loose spokes and halfway paying attention where that was as I was doing it. See how much closer it is now? Well, we have a lot of up and down we got to deal with. Up and down is a pain in the butt. So we need to get the up and down out of here. That's the most critical thing. I want to get a rough idea where our offset's at. So it looks like we got almost a finger on this side to the nipples. And this one here looks like we're about the same. So we're pretty equal actually. That's pretty good. So our offset doesn't look too bad. I have no idea what the offset's supposed to be on these bikes. I just center it off of what the hub is in here. These flanges here should be about equal to the rim. Now this is a lot narrower, so you got to kind of guesstimate the gap between on this side and on this side here. Not the lip, but the flange. So that's where we're at. Okay, we got some bearing clearance in here, but it's because we can't really torque this thing very much. Tighten it up a little bit. I don't have an axle sleeve in here, so I can't torque it real heavy. Okay, so now this up and down is what we got to deal with. So, all right, there you go. That's what it looks like for now. Gotta get a little closer.